Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Teams in Zapier. And to do so, it's very easy. So first you will need to create an account on Zapier and then go on and create a new Zap by going to the automation product here and then going to Zaps, click the plus icon and create a Zap. So you'll find yourself on this page, which is the editor. You'll find the trigger and the action. So let's explain briefly how Zapier works. So it just automates workflows. So here, for example, if I have a trigger, it will create an action. So for example, if I receive a message on Microsoft Teams, I will translate it. For example, if I receive it in another language than the English. Okay, so let's just do that example just to illustrate it better. So let's click on trigger here and then search for the app. So Microsoft Team, for example. So yeah, Microsoft Teams here and the trigger event. So here in the trigger event, let's choose, for example, a new chat message. Triggers when a new message is received in the chat. And here for the account, you can create or connect your Microsoft Teams account. And then once you have connected your account, you will go to the action. In this case, I will, for example, go to ChatGPT. This is just an example, by the way. You can use any other app that you want. There is over 7,000 apps here, so you can use YouTube, Telegram, Slack, etc. But I'll just use ChatGPT. All right. So chat here, and then I will go on and select the event. For example, create a translation. So here, if I receive a new message in Microsoft Teams, ChatGPT will automatically create a translation for me. And here I can add a new step, for example, to add it in a Google Sheet or whatever. You can create your workflow very easily. So here you'll need to connect your ChatGPT account, and that's it. Basically, you'll need to test run and then publish, and you'll be able to use your Zapier workflow. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.